Happy Tuesday! Last week we talked about Jamboard and what it is, and we're going to dive a little deeper into how it can be used in certain ways. So this week I want to talk a little bit about how you can use it as a student check-in. So let's say you started your morning by having kids share, how are you doing today? Really simple question, but here's what I want to highlight for you today with Jamboard. You may choose to put that in the middle. How are you doing today? Respond with an emoji of your choice. Emojis, super simple. Kids know what they mean and kids can pick. So let's say you have a kid in your class who's feeling happy emoji and they want to search up a happy face. They would Google image search happy face. A kid is feeling awesome today. Maybe they had a really good breakfast. And they would click on the image, click insert. Always remind them before you do this to move it off of the last picture, last spot it landed. Let's say that's how one kid responds. And then you have another kid respond with a sad face. Not a great weekend. Maybe they didn't get a lot of sleep, didn't have a good breakfast. And again, we know that with Jamboard, it always goes to the central spot. And we all have those kids that come in tired and not really ready to learn. And you may have a kid who's feeling extra funky that day and maybe wants to pick that one. So here's the cool thing. By using images, not using names, you can get a quick pulse check on how the kids are feeling. And it's all by image. So all they need to know how to do is go to the Add Image button, Google search an image, and type in an emotion. Maybe frustrated. And if you don't want them to do an emoji, you can even just have them find a GIF, find a meme. For the purposes of this, you would find a meme, and then you could then say, what are we noticing? How are people feeling today? Have a discussion about it. What are some things we could do? So it's a really quick social emotional check-in, super simple. The kids do not need to know how to write beyond basic emotions, and maybe to scaffold you would give a list of options so that they could copy and paste. I'm curious how you think you could see using something like this in homeroom one day, or morning meeting, or for health and wellness. Take a look, try it, let me know how it goes.